Welcome to I Hope You're Hangry. You know who's hangry right now? My two girls who just woke up and they're going to want some breakfast. So, I'm going to be making them some Mickey Mouse pancakes. Let's go ahead and put something on the TV. Let's say Disney's Halloween treat, and we'll get to it.
And now, it's time for a Disney Halloween.
Trick or treat, trick or treat.
Don't mess it up, don't mess it up, don't lose it, don't lose it.
When the pumpkin shells cast evil spell, your little white house turns green. Your little white house turns green. Your little white house turns green. Every post is a ghost if you got a witch's brew. And if you want your gate to circulate, ho ho!
My plate looks like this, so their plates can look like this. How is it?
She's covered in flowers.
Yep, they liked it. They scarfed them down. Go ahead, try it at home. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.